Today, I'll show you how to convert a Pinterest personal account to a business account. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to Pinterest in your browser. Sign in to the Pinterest account that you want to convert. Once you are signed in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Now open the menu. On mobile, this is usually the three dots or settings icon near the top of the screen. Tap Settings. Inside Settings, look for Account Management or Account Settings. Now look for an option that says Convert to Business Account. Tap this option to begin. Pinterest may ask you to confirm that you want to switch your personal account into a business account. Tap Continue or Get Started. Next, Pinterest may ask for some basic business details. Enter your business name or brand name. If you do not have a company, you can use your creator name, blog name, shop name, or profile name. Then choose a category that best describes your account. For example, you might choose fashion, beauty, food, home decor, education, travel, or another topic that matches your content. Pinterest may also ask if you have a website. If you have one, enter it. If you do not have a website, you can usually skip this step. After that, follow the rest of the instructions on the screen. When everything is complete, your account will be converted into a Pinterest business account. A business account gives you extra tools, such as analytics, audience insights, and advertising options. This can help you see which pins are performing well and understand what your audience likes. Your saved pins, boards, followers, and profile details should stay on your account. You are not creating a new account. You are only changing your current account type. After converting, go back to your profile and check your information. Make sure your profile picture, display name, bio, and website link look correct. You can also start checking your analytics by opening the Business Tools or Analytics section. If you do not see the Convert option in the app, try using Pinterest in a web browser. Some settings may be easier to find on the desktop version. So to keep it simple, sign into Pinterest, go to Settings, open Account Management, choose Convert to Business Account, enter your business details, and finish the setup. And that's how you convert a Pinterest personal account to a business account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.